climb inside the 2021 BMW M235i. This four-door, five-passenger coupe provides a satisfying ride for all passengers. BMW made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. BMW infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as a power seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, and seat memory. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel-mounted audio controls, and 16 speakers, yielding a symphony-like audio experience. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Call now to schedule a test drive.